And back here in Rhode Island, Southeastern Massachusetts, we are in a heat advisory alert. All sorts of bells and whistles going off in the weather department today as we prepare for a potential heat wave.
Yeah, today's likely the first of the next few days. Yesterday was nice. We get a little break from the heat. It was kind of cool today, and we're back up to around 90 degrees, and we're pretty much staying there for the next few days. Look at the heat index values for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Today's probably the coolest of the next few days. Heat advisory today, tomorrow, and again on Wednesday. Here's the heat index forecast, up around 96 this afternoon. That's what it'll feel like away from the south coast. Let's take a look at Tuesday. Triple-digit feel-like temperatures for a little while tomorrow afternoon, and again on Wednesday. It'll feel like it's around 100, 101 degrees during the mid-afternoon on Wednesday. So hot stuff ahead. Got some fog out there right now, but there's no cloudiness above this fog. So once the sun pops up, that fog's gone. 67 degrees in East Greenwich. You can see Venus there. We've got a little touch of fog there on the bottom of the screen over the bay. Temperatures upper 60s, low 70s everywhere this morning. So we've got a pretty warm launching pad. Typically you can add 20 degrees to the morning low, and that'll be up around 90 this afternoon. So hot and humid today and right through Wednesday. It's going to be a little bit more unsettled for Thursday and Friday, but certainly not as hot. Right now, the weekend looks amazing. We'll talk about that in a second. Muggy meter for today. It's going to be pretty humid. I think the most humid day of the next few will likely be on Wednesday, but the hottest will likely be on Tuesday. Bottom line, it's going to be pretty steamy for the next few days. Expecting a high around 90 today. The record is 100 degrees. That was set back in 2020. Sunrise this morning is at 5:36. Satellite radar picture, pretty quiet. We actually have this weak area of low pressure that's moving away from the New England coastline, sparking a lot of thunderstorms. That's going to be moving away from us through the day. We'll have plenty of sunshine as we go through our Monday. A little patchy fog developing again tonight. Looking at tomorrow, we're still dry, but hot and humid. Same for Wednesday, hot and humid, but notice a cold front entering the weather picture, and we could be finding a couple of late day showers and thunderstorms more likely during the evening on Wednesday. But for today, hot and humid, up around 90 degrees or so. It'll feel like it's in the low to mid 90s due to the humidity. Just some common sense advice: stay hydrated, drinking lots of water, take it easy, stay in the air conditioning if you can. Make sure the pets have lots of water and a cool shelter, and don't forget to check on the elderly. Make sure they're doing okay. Another way to stay cool is to be right on the beach. It'll be pretty toasty there as well, up around 85, but not as hot as inland areas. Surf today about 2 feet. Rip current risk is low for today. Out on the bay, we're looking at winds initially from the north, but becoming onshore in the afternoon. Southeast to south, 5 to 10 knots. It's going to be warm and humid out in the bay. Visibility is obviously going to be a little poor in morning patchy fog, but we'll see some quick improvements. For tonight, lows down to around 70 degrees with patchy fog reforming late. A little patchy fog early tomorrow, then the sunshine returns quickly. 96 degrees for tomorrow afternoon. It'll feel like it's 100 to 105 during the late morning and through the afternoon hours tomorrow. Looking at that 7-day forecast, Wednesday, another hot one, up around 90 degrees. It'll likely feel like it's 100 degrees or so in the afternoon. There's the chance for those late day thunderstorms. Thursday and Friday looking unsettled, especially the second half of Thursday and the first half of Friday. Then we dry out. That weekend looks amazing. Upper 70s, low 80s, lower humidity, very comfortable for next weekend. We've got that entire forecast broken down day by day. You can get it right now on our Pinpoint Weather 12 app.
Here's a look at the traffic situation as